This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and Tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Guys, it is June 17th, 2019. This one here, I gotta go fix an outside faucet. The guy says when he turns it on, it's leaking in the basement and outside. So that means to tell me that he left a hose on the thing last year. He said he just bought this house. It's a very common complaint with these frost-free faucets. If they leave the hose on and they don't take it off last year when it gets cold out and there's water in that hose, it'll freeze and split the internal piping. I mean, it's a common thing that happens a lot. I try to tell people that if it's a frost-free faucet, you have to take the hose off because when it shuts off, it drains out. So it's, you know, the washer's inside the house 8 inches. Can't freeze because there's no water in it because the water drains out. But if you leave the hose hooked up to it, the water's not going to drain out. It's going to freeze and split. So it's like I said, it's a very common thing that happens with these. After they go through they change it a couple of times, they smarten up and they take the hose off in the fall. You know, if you leave the hose on all summer, just take it off in the fall when it starts getting cold out. Then you won't have a problem. But, you know, sometimes people, they just don't understand. You tell them something and they don't comprehend. They're stuck on stupid. But we'll go over there and change it out for them and tell them. I don't think I've ever worked for this guy before, so... try to get you some shots. This is the one right here. He says problem. He said he left the hose on last year. So we'll look in the basement. Handle split anyway. I don't know if you can see it right at the wall, but it's split right there. Right at the wall. We got it off over there. Split right there at the wall. I'll make a cut right here and put a new piece in there. As you can see, it's got a female adapter on it. I gotta back that out or I can't get it out. So I got this cleaned. I'll cut that. And then we'll back this off. The new one will solder right in place. Water is off. I need 2 hands to get that out. I'll be able to slide it out now. We'll solder the new one right in there. Boom. Put some new screws in there. It's a 6-inch one. I'm gonna put an 8 in there. Well, you're better off just taking it apart. A lot of guys will just take them apart. This way I ain't have to worry about putting a bleed coupling inside. No big deal. Take it right apart. Easy enough to take it apart. I mean, it ain't rocket science. Take it apart, I'll put a bleeder coupling downstairs, whatever you want to do. Ain't rocket science, mama. Got it all screwed in, I'll solder down below, and then after I'm done soldering, I'll put the piece back in. A little bit more work this way, but you're alright. Alright, let's put the outside together and I can turn it on over here. It's all back together. I just have to turn it on in the basement and we'll see if it leaks. Should be fine. Alright, no leaks. That'll be fine. I put this insulation back. We're good to go. I'll just turn it on when I go outside, make sure it don't leak out there. Well, it should be fine. It's like a snake. That's fine. I'm putting those screws in there, which is good to go. Alright guys, just left that job with that outside faucet. Taking that thing all apart and soldering it up without the jet coupling. It's a lot more work than what I usually do. I usually just solder a piece on and stick it inside with the jet coupling. Solder up the jet coupling, shut it off and turn the water on. I mean, it's a lot less back and forth up and down the stairs. That's my opinion. I mean, you could do it that way. I just assume use a jet coupling. Solder the piece on outside, let it cool, put the piece in, shut it off, and then you go downstairs, you know. And either way, just a couple of more trips. You can do it either way.